Hi everyone, and welcome to T-Tech with Ahmed Tarek. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a fully functional iOS app in minutes using an AI tool called Cursor AI. Even if you have no prior coding experience, Cursor AI can do the coding for you. What you'll need: Mac Computer Xcode downloaded from the App Store, an app development tool from Apple. Cursor AI download from their website. Creating a new Xcode project, open Xcode and create a new project. Select iOS from the top menu, then choose App and click Next. Give your app a name, e.g. Tide Times. Select a team. If you don't have one set up, you can create a new one. Click Next and choose where to save your app files. Click Create. Xcode will create a new folder for your app project. Setting up Xcode, optional. Go to Xcode Settings and link your Apple ID. Take a look at the sample code that Xcode provides. You can even modify it to see how code works. Using Cursor AI to write code, open Cursor AI and link it to your Xcode app project by opening the folder containing your app files. In Cursor AI, you can see all the code files for your app. To start writing code using Cursor AI, use the Cursor Composer feature, Command plus Shift plus E on your keyboard. Training Cursor AI, optional. In Cursor Composer, type at Docs, and then the documentation you want Cursor AI to learn from, e.g. Apple Swift documentation. You can train Cursor AI on multiple documents, including Apple's UI design guidelines. This will help Cursor AI write code that follows best practices. Describing your app to Cursor AI in Cursor Composer, type at Codebase to tell Cursor AI to use the existing code files in your project. Then, describe your app to Cursor AI. For example, you could say that you want to create an iOS Tide Times app that uses a Tide Times API to display tide times for a user's location. You could also specify that you want the app to show the highs and lows in a graph and allow users to zoom in. Cursor AI writing code. Once you've described your app to Cursor AI, click Enter. Cursor AI will start writing code to create your app based on your specifications. You can see the code being written in real time in Cursor Composer. Testing the app in Xcode, switch back to Xcode and see how the preview of your app has been updated based on the code written by Cursor AI. You can test the app's functionality by selecting a location and viewing the Tide Times information. Improving the app's design, optional. If you're not happy with the app's design, you can go back to Cursor AI and provide more instructions. For example, you could tell Cursor AI to only show 24 hours of tide data in the table, add highs and lows in text, and make the UI more visually appealing. Cursor AI will update the code based on your new instructions, and you can see the changes reflected in the Xcode preview. Creating an app icon, optional. You can use an AI image generation tool like DALL-E or Mid-Journey to create an app icon for your app. Once you have an app icon, you can upload it to Xcode in the Assets section of your app project. Running the app on a real device. To run your app on a real iPhone, you'll need a cable to connect your iPhone to your Mac. In Xcode, select your iPhone from the Device drop-down menu. Make sure your iPhone trusts your computer. Click the play button to run the app on your iPhone. Conclusion: congratulations! You've created a fully functional iOS app in minutes using Cursor AI. With no coding experience required, Cursor AI is a great tool for anyone who wants to create their own iOS apps. I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions.